source for health and wellness advice. We make it fun and easy to live a healthier, happier lifestyle. Subscribe now and start feeling better every day. 5 exercises to increase penis size. Most men have the ego that the bigger your penis is, the better your sexual life would be. The truth is most women like their partners to have a longer and thicker penis. So how do you increase penis size? Penis stretching is the process of using hands or devices to increase penis length. Is it really possible that this could happen? Well, this article will give you an insight into this topic backed by recent research. Facts about penis size. Most men want to have a lengthy penis, leaving them with an ego that scales their thought process over time. Did you know that most women aren't really bothered about how long your penis is? Here are some interesting facts that you need to know about penis size. Most women are satisfied with whatever size of their partner's penis, while men aren't. However, the thickness of the penis matters for women. Most men believe that they have a smaller penis. The average length of your penis measures 5.1 to 6.3 cms long. The average thickness of a penis is 4.7 cms. 1. Massage exercise. In this type of manual exercise, lubricant is applied to the penis and massaged gently. This exercise is intended to stretch the skin of your penis, which will thereby aid in the enlargement of the penis. You need to repeatedly do this in order to achieve faster results. 2. Penis pump exercise. This stretching device needs to be attached to the penis and it will create immediate erection. This is usually prescribed for men suffering from erectile dysfunction. How to use. Here's what you need to follow. Firstly, apply lubricant on penis to avoid irritation. Place the tube over your penis. Turn on the pump and it will take a few minutes for an erection to happen. Note, when the pump is turned on, you will be able to ejaculate quickly like you've never thought of. This will eventually lead to enlargement of penis. 3. Jelqing exercise. This is the most common form of exercise among men. It helps in thickening of the penis. In order to increase penis size, it is recommended that you do it at least once every day. It also helps in better erection that can benefit a healthy sex life. How to do. Here is how you do it. Place both hands on the penis and gently move it from top to bottom. Consider preheating the penis before it erects. 4. Stretching exercise. This exercise is similar to milking a cow. It is one of the best exercises that can aid in faster results. This is a kind of jelqing exercise, but it uses only your thumb and index finger. How to do. Use your thumb and index finger to slide the skin from top to bottom. Do it for 20 minutes. Make sure you do not masturbate. If there is erection, let the penis relax and continue after 5 minutes. Repeat this exercise for at least 20 minutes every day. 5. Kegel exercise. This exercise is best suited during the time of sexual intercourse. It is a kind of massaging exercise where you will have to use your hands to gently massage the penis before intercourse. This exercise helps in increasing penis size and thickness. How to do. Here is how you do it. Hold the penis with one hand and gently rub it. Let loose if there is an erection.